Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, back. I was up in the mountains. At times I was above the clouds. At times I was in the snow. And it was awesome. And at times there was lightning, but not too close to us. We know what to do when there's lightning. Anyway, it was great. Great to be back with the team. Great to be back with everybody. So what are we going to do? Let's frame it up. One of the best things we can do is look at the ETFs. Hey, what are the ETFs are doing? Gives us an idea of what to focus on and what to avoid. Systematize. So let's get on with it. Here we go. Genomic revolution. That's easy for me to say. Biotechnology. What does this tell you? Stay away from biotech. ARK Innovation was above the 200-day. Purple line's the 200-day. It's below the 200-day. Until this starts showing life, be careful with the stocks that are involved in this ETF. Internet, hanging in there, needs to get back above the 200-day also. Biotechnology, this biotechnology is hanging in there. It's above the 50-day. Needs to start pushing though. It's kind of loose right here. See that volume bar there? Down on heavy volume? That's not good. See this bar? Gaps up and reverses down on a heavier volume? That's not good. What's it tell you? Be careful with biotech. Cloud computing, going sideways. I like this space. CLOU, you know what you do? Punch up CLOU and find out what their top 10 holdings are. Something to look at. That's how you systematize. Energy. In 1 second, what does it tell you? Stay away from energy. Done. You don't have to overthink it. Well, maybe there's a couple of good ones. Why? Why not stack the deck in your favor and look for the stuff that already looks decent? No ego. Get in line with what is. There you go. Dow Jones Internet, it needs to start getting back above the 50-day. I do like that it started to pick up Friday. IBD 50 still going sideways, nothing special. Gold, look at this, junior gold miners, or gold miners. What does this tell you? In less than 1 second, it says, there ain't nothing shiny about gold miners. There's nothing shiny about junior gold miners. There's nothing shiny about gold. Cybersecurity needs to get back above the 50-day. I do like that there was a slight pickup in volume on Friday. Look for over the 50-day. HACK, find out what the top 10 holdings are. There you go. These are the things we do at Mission Winners. Let's get down to it. Biotechnology, it's hanging in there. It needs to get back over the push off the 50-day on volume. Retail, online retail, ETF, online retail. In 1 second, it says, I don't think I should be looking at this group. There you go. North American technology. Look at this. This is above all the moving averages, folks. What does that tell you? Hey, let's see what's in good in North American technology stocks, which is, guess what? The max list type of stocks. I love that list. Medicine is good. Medical is good. Look at some medical. Mid-caps chopping around. Loose. Nothing special there. Construction. Hanging in there. Needs to start getting a lift. Forming a base here. Maybe it'll start to lift up. That's good to see. I love this. Look at this. I put this note on this. Oh, gee whiz. Owns a lot of the max list stock. How are some of the max list stocks doing, folks? There you go. Systematize. Small cap. In 1 second. Stay away. Airline stocks. In 1 second. Stay away. They're grounded. Okay, I had to say that. I'm sorry. That's dad humor. Okay. Regional banking. Nothing there. Mid cap. Choppy. Nothing there. Oil services. Nothing there. Software. Find out the stocks in this group. This sector is not good with what this ETF owns. Remember that. NASDAQ 100. Still good. Isn't that nice? Look at that thing bounce off the 50-day. Is that sweet? There you go. NASDAQ 100. QQQ, the non-leveraged one. Fine. Cloud computing. I'll put a limit alert right there. Maybe it'll start. In fact, I'll put it right here. Pardon me. Right there. Oh, for new followers, I will tell you this. This is the 200-day simple. The green line is the 50-day simple. The blue line is the 21-day exponential. And the yellow line is the 8-period exponential. And this is volume down here. Simple. Silver, nothing there. Steel. Ugh. Look at that gap. You see stuff gapping down through the 50-day? Be careful. SMH needs to start picking up off the 50-day. That would be nice to see. Doesn't look so great right now. Same thing's true with this ETF, which is a semi-ETF. Spiders lifted off. Look at this. Pushed through the 21 you made. That's good to see. What's the trend, folks? Here's a great, I learned this a couple of decades ago. You want to know what the trend is? I read this in a book. Take a picture of this chart. Tape it, print it out or whatever. Tape it to the wall, walk into the other side of the room and take a look at it. There's your trend. Done. Leveraged ETF, SSO is still good. Solar, nothing happening, folks. Stay away from solar. Small cap leveraged, stay away. Oil, look at this. U.S. oil, stay away. Aerospace, there's nothing there. Leave it alone. Biotech, nothing here. Home builders, they're still hanging in there. Needs to start lifting up again, okay? But doesn't look bad. Materials, kind of got choppy here. This needs to show some life. Stay away. Communications, technology related, still okay. Energy, stay away. Look at that. I mean, folks, right there, it tells you. Leave me alone, okay? You want to see something neat? Oil. Energy. Birds of a feather, stay away. Continue on. We're about done. XLF. Financials form kind of a bigger picture cup with a high handle. Maybe it'll start to lift off. It's always good when financials are hanging in there. It's not good when they're falling. Good to remember. And the industrials just kind of chopping around, nothing special there. Technology. Look, folks, kind of a sloppy market. And technology, again, we're building a case. Hit all-time highs on Friday. There you go. Consumer staples hanging in there. That's good to see. Utilities. Look at this. Now, what about utilities? Kind of a defensive sector. Something to take into consideration. About done here. Consumer discretionary. Got a little choppy. Look at that. Down on heavy volume. Up. People, look at that bar. Here's a great lesson for everybody. This ran up and faded and closed in the bottom half of its range on fairly heavy volume. It was met with selling pressure. By the way, where did it stop going up? At the 50-day. Things to make note of, things to remember. Metals and mining, leg had nothing to do with that. Oil and gas, exploration, that's not a slick deal. I had to say it, I'm sorry. Retailing needs to start getting over the 50-day. It's loose, nothing to do with it. Software, technology related, like to see this start to lift. Nothing really special with it at this point in time. And back to the top. Anyway, in 7 minutes, you have a great feel on what to focus on and what to avoid. That is power. That's systemizing things. We only have a limited amount of time. Here's a great quote for you. The greatest asset we have is our time. To tell you the truth, that's a lie. We all have the same amount of time. So, more importantly, it's how we use our time that will make us better and set us apart from others. And that's why we systematize at Mission Winners. To make it easier for you, let's get ready and let's have a good week. And again, the mountains were awesome. Wow, was it crazy up there. I mean, it's just to let you know, I've been above lightning before, and it's not good. I've smelled lightning before. Oh, and here's something for you. I need to share this with everybody, and I'm going to get off of the beaten path, which I guess is appropriate from where we were. Here's one of the misnomers for you. A lot of people say that if you're around lightning, the best thing you can do is lay flat on the ground. That's a lie, okay? I used to periodically teach outdoor survival skills, so please, I know what I'm talking about here. You don't want to lay flat on the ground. The less contact you have with the ground, with your body, the greater the potential that you will survive a lightning strike anywhere around you. Best thing to do, get on your squat down, stay on your feet, squat down as low as you can. Try not to put your hands on the ground, just your feet. Get down low in a ball and sit and ride it out. But the better thing to do is, and know this, stay away from the lightning and know when it's coming. Know when it's coming. Have a plan. I'm sorry if I got off on a tangent, but these are just things that I've taught through the years. And I thank you all very much, and it's good to be back.